I went to the charity shop today to return a top that I didn't like the fit of. That was it, in and out, and we came back with quite a few things. So I have been on the hunt for some sort of coffee table, little side table, something where I can sit and journal at, because we don't have any sort of coffee table, dining table, anything like that. So if I sit and journal, it's either on the floor, on the couch, in bed, and I just wanted a table. Need I say more? And the shirt I returned was $2.99, so I had that returns money, and so in total my haul cost me 61 pence. Just unreal. Okay, so firstly we have got this little nesting table situation. It's a dark wood, it's got some really cute little details on it, and it looks really nice in the corner. Also, this little pot, it was £1, and I want to use it for some ikebana, so I've put a little frog in it in preparation. But I'm obsessed with it. I absolutely love it. And because they're nesting tables, I figure I can like take the table out and then take it over to the couch with me if I want to. And then I also got these two glasses. I have been wanting some kind of nice wine glasses, or whatever you'd call these. I literally just washed them, so they're dripping wet still, but I think they're beautiful. They're a really nice crystal. They've got a really good weight to them, which I really like. Again, need I say more? They are perfect. This one has like a very, very tiny chip, but I honestly think I might have done that because I came home in a hurry. I dumped everything at the front door and then I left again. So that could have happened. That could have been my fault. Anyway, regardless, these were literally 30p each, so these are basically all I paid for. The nesting tables were £1, the chair was £1, the little pot, this one, £1. So yeah, my whole haul, if I didn't have a discount, would have been $3.61. Crazy, but I'm very grateful that I found this little charity shop because I have been getting some absolute gems from them. Not homewares, but more vintage clothes. Proper, really good quality vintage clothes, no rips, no stains. I would honestly say cheap. Affordable, cheap, vintage. I might show you some pieces actually. So we've got more clothes and accessories. This really cute, it's a bookmark. It's a beautiful little butterfly, and yeah. And then I got this. I will insert a photo of it in my hair. I think I have one, but just this, no hair tie, no nothing. I've been wanting to get into hair accessories more, so perfect. And it's like a really nice patinaed leather. There was 3 of these and I think that was the best one. Then I've got 2 dresses. I've got this baby blue dress. Sort of ends mid-shin, I would say. I'm unsure of how to style it. £10 actually this one was. But it's from the 70s. I don't know what material it is. I want to say it's an acrylic knit, but it's got a gorgeous little detail on the front there. And then I bought this one. Oh, this was £10 as well. Little St. Michael's dress. Again, I would say it's kind of like mid-shin. It's got some cute little buttons. It's kind of like a light coral color, but I'm going to dye it. I'm unsure what color. I'm thinking either like a deep reddy color or brown, because I love the color. I don't think it suits my complexion as well, and it is also see-through-ish. And I feel like if I dyed it a darker color, it wouldn't be so see-through, so I'm kind of hoping that works out, but I haven't bought any dye just yet. It's 50% cotton, 50% polyester, so I feel like I need to really do my research before I dye it or buy dyes to make sure that what I get will actually work. Please ignore the state of everything else in my house because I've decided I'm deep cleaning and switching things up, so please ignore. Next, I got this chair. It's so beautiful. I actually took a photo of this at the charity shop 2 weeks ago. It's got this really nice tapestry. It's loose here, but I can very easily fix that if I want to. But she's gorgeous. Again, beautiful dark oak. Obsessed. I've got some exciting things I'm doing today. My friend Sophie is coming over and we are doing some baking. I'm so excited. And I am going to the markets as well. Not for anything, just to check them out because I've never been. And they've only just started again now that it's spring. So they start in April. And I think they close over winter. But you can come with me and we can check them out together. When you sleep next to me, I dream of eternity. I'll be the greatest I can be, as long as you hold me. And maybe I'm not more than what I am to those I love. And if the world is ending, I wanna be with you. If I go to Hollywood, then baby you're coming too, 'cause I want it. I know. So the markets don't actually exist. I'm not sure on the whole situation, but we are going to get a pastry, go to a bakery, and just hang out instead. Might just be a speck in time. And it's alright. I just got home and I foraged some little bluebells. They are just so delicate and beautiful, and they smell so subtly. They kind of smell like hyacinth, I would say, or like even a soft lilac. I'm going to arrange them in my new little pot and I'll show you the result. I keep spinning round and round in circles, yeah, baby.
Say that it's burnt.
They are black.
I'm gonna say that it's burnt.
Holy
But
crap.
there is some juice in there, but I'm gonna say it's straight up like it's kind of beautiful in many
It
ways.
looks like blackberries.
This is called the black strawberry variety.
It's not meant to.
Okay, I'm gonna suggest.
Awesome.
Let's get a basket.
Look at us baking. Look at us making potions.
That looks so. Look how smooth and beautiful that looks.
You would hope so.
She's a chef.
We made our cheesecake. It still needs to set and live in the fridge overnight. Anyway, the latest season of From came out today. We're going to have some steak frites for dinner. And it's going to be chill.
Do you want a Pepsi or a Pop?
Any. Pepsi. Okay, I totally forgot to show you the cheesecake. You can't see it very well. It tastes fine. We added vanilla, a lot of vanilla, so it was meant to be a vanilla basque, but you can't taste much vanilla. It's not the best, but it's definitely not the worst. And I think if I intentionally made it a flavor, it would have been so much better. So that's what I'm gonna try next time. But anyway, sorry this vlog has been all over the place, not cohesive at all, but I still had so much fun filming. I love filming little videos. It's fun and it's exciting and it gives me something to do with my days, and it encourages me to do something with my day. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very, very soon.